I'm Natsumi with fitYOGAfit. Today's video is yoga to floss median nerve to fix shoulder arm pain and numbness. Let's begin. So median nerve go from the base of the neck all the way down to the thumb, index finger, middle, and thumb of ring finger. Okay, so either you can sit down on the chair or floor or standing up, either way. Okay, so I'm gonna do it with standing. So standing up nice and tall. And from here, make a fist and 90-degree angle and open your palms and flex, turn around and down. So we're gonna repeat this 5 times. Ready? Fist up, palm, make a tray, turn around and down. Fist, open, flex, turn, down. Fist, open, tray, turn, and down. One more. Fist, open, make a tray, turn around, and down. So if you are like have a pinched nerve on one side, you just can do one side. Or I'm gonna do it, in case I'm gonna do it both sides, okay? Fist, palm, make a tray, turn around and down. Fist, open, tray, turn, down. 2, 3, 4, 5. 3, 2, 3, 4, 5. 4, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5, 2, 3, 4, 5. Already you may feel like relief, and please do not do it too much. Only 5 or 10 per day. Okay, so now let's move on to the next one. Okay, next one, make a tray, finger pointing outward. And as you stretch your elbow, you're gonna tilt your neck, your head to the same side as your arm. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And relax. Okay, now palm open, facing forward. And from here, flex fingers backward and then drop your shoulder. 1. So let's stay there and count 10, about 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And relax. Palm facing forward, 45-degree angle, and flex your fingers and drop your shoulders down. Count to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And relax. Okay, now palm facing up and open your arms, bring your arm 90-degree angle. And from here, so you're gonna just turn your head away from your arm and look down and ear facing up toward the ceiling. And go back to center. Okay, turn, look away, and ear facing up toward the ceiling and back. Look away, ear toward the ceiling, back. And ear up. One more. Away and ear facing up. And down. Okay, let's do the other side. Palm facing up, 90-degree angle. And from here, look away and ear facing up to the ceiling. and back. Look away, ear pointing up. Look away and ear looking up. So I'm doing about 5 times. And relax. Okay, and if you feel already feeling good, and then it's already feeling that some kind of tension here, stop there. And then, but if you want to have a little bit more variation, so as same way, 90-degree angle, palm up. And as you look away, yeah, up same time, you're gonna flex your finger like this. Okay, this is a variation. Okay, here it feels more, I'm feeling more like tension, stretch, and flossing on the arm. Okay. Again, not too much. About 5 to 10 times per day. Let's do the other side. Look away as you are bringing your ear pointing up. Same time, flex your finger pointing down, fingers down. Okay, are you ear pointing up toward the ceiling, finger pointing down toward the floor. Again, you do it about 5 to 10 times per day. Okay, not too much. You don't want to flare the nerve. Right? Okay, very good. This sequence is designed to fix neck, shoulder, arm pain and numbness caused by pinched nerve. I recommend you do it every day, but not too much repetition. And for more like this, check out this next video. See you soon!